guys, it's Csquaredd from T.N.B. About to go over a DIY PC build that I use for my computer, so stay tuned. And it's relatively inexpensive. Alright, so first off, for my graphics card, I'm using the ASUS Strix GeForce GTX 970, the OC edition. For the memory, I've got 16 gigs of the Trident X memory. Got the 4970 Intel i7 4th gen processor there. Kind of already started putting things together here. We've got the ASUS Maximus Hero 7 motherboard. As well, for the power supply, we have the EVGA Supernova 850 G2. So it's an 80 plus gold solid. And of course, for the hard drive, we just have the simple 1 gig of Seagate Barricuda hard drive, just standard. What I do like about this case, this is the NZXT. It's one of their larger flagship models. Oh, there you go. Plenty of space for, a bunch of drives or optical drives or whatever you want to put in there. Disk drives. Several spots for different hard drives, whether you want to use the standard, hybrid, or even the SSDs. What I like about this case is, I don't know if you can tell, but all the cords are tucked in. There's two different back plates that this thing has. So this side's completely off. As you can see, there's another side that you can take off. All the cords can go hid behind there. Nice and silky smooth, so you don't basically see anything except for the stuff that's actually connecting, to all the slots. It comes out of the back there. So it's a really clean case. It's very large. There'll be plenty of room in here when I'm done putting all this gear in here. Real quick though, for the screws that you're going to use to put into the motherboard, into the computer, I found that the number 2 Phillips screwdriver head works the best. It fits the best, just for limited issues that you guys have. I've tried these small Phillips and they seem to just strip the screws. So yep, just stand by and we'll have it put together and give you guys a review. Okay, so I have finally put in the Intel processor. Got that all secured in there. Oh man. Okay, there we go. Always make sure that when you put this stuff in, you connect the cords to the right slots. You got one up here. You got your CPU fan here. You got a bunch down here. You got several down here. I don't know if you can see. There's one there, another bunch there, and there's one down again in the corner. I can't tell you how many times I've seen people take stuff in to like a repair shop and them saying, I don't know what's going on with my computer. I can't get it to work. I try to put it together and it just won't run. Or they're getting error codes up here where the LED lights display. And it's simply because they didn't put the right cord in. So make sure you have all your cords in the right spot. Look up the tutorials, use the manual. Okay, so far we've got the power supply in, motherboard, processor. Next we're going to throw in the RAM and the graphics card. Then we're going to connect the hard drive and the power, and then we'll give it a test. Graphics card is the only thing I haven't unboxed, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox it in front of you guys so you guys can see. Alright, there we go. So inside the box, there's another box. Ooh, shiny ASUS inserts are incredible. Ooh, there's little ASUS fucking symbols in there. Ooh. Okay, so you open this up. Another box. What a surprise. Oh, boy, I've always wanted this. Alright, so let's go into this. What is in here? It looks like it's just gonna be, yep, okay, manuals, you got your paper, your CD, user license, all that good stuff. More, yes, best day ever. Alright. And that is absolutely hard to see through that, so I'll go ahead and unbox that, or unpackage that real quick. And here you have it. This is the graphics card. This is the 970 Strix, Strix OC edition of this graphics card. Nice and big, solid. Supposed to run pretty quiet. Alright, let's install it. Okay, so there you have it. Graphics card's in there. Now it's gonna be a little wobbly until you get the screws into there. It's gonna be hard to see, but the screws you're gonna use are the ones that come with it. It's gonna look something like this. Let's see if the camera will. Yeah, there you go. Okay. So that just goes into this slot over here. Twist it in, secure it down. That's where your power's gonna go. Clearly make sure that your little latch is latched so it doesn't go anywhere. As you can see, this case, plenty of room for add-ons. You can throw your LEDs in there, or you know, any of the additional things you want to do. You can do 2 graphics cards. I don't think this one is an SLI model, so I don't think it'll run in tandem with anything else, but I don't think you really need to right now. I mean, unless you're trying to run something in like a super high resolution. I'm sorry. Alright, and there you have it. Everything's plugged in minus the power. We're going to go ahead and hook this up to power right now. See if it works. Everything's in. The graphics card's power has been connected. You can see, there we go. Bam. Alright. Everybody likes a clean workspace, right? Yeah. Well, test on there. I've got a solution. Dual wield. Because Call of Duty. I think we're good. Proof that I'm not a complete moron. Okay, so as you can see, computer's actually running on the first try, I might add. First go. You are a go at this station. The computer's running over here. You got that little LEDs that are built into the case. We got the little LED readout screen down there. If I didn't show you this before, these right here, there's little slide knobs on the side here. Those are fan control speeds. And there's, let's see here, 2 USBs, 1 USB 3.0, you know, your audio cords up there. But with my current setup, I use USB for the headset, mouse, and etc. Okay, so runs, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave you with that. Enjoy, you guys.